Hello, everyone. My name is Nacho. Introduce you to my partner, Misael Martinez. Um, we are going to explain our project, report, or and video uh, simulation. Okay. Uh, General objects make the product work and meet the need that have been processed either for quality or safety. So that is very innovation project with ecological scope as this is very important today.
Hello, specific object. What? Everyday people innovation build their option for projects to be suffer. How? Motivate them by doing training to generate more knowledge. When? This must be done frequently for the start goals to the successfully complete. For what purpose? Grow interact business to a company with more members and higher profit.
Okay, analyst, our project is to make machine that disintegrate the garbage. That product is very home, business and shopping center in a way that help the environment and reduce the pollution as well as begin access to the hot people. Therefore, part of the invited in the forced corporation to take responsibility by adopt sustainable solution and system stop decrease.
For example, Blender identified the world top corporate plastic pollute conducted audits of global brands for the second year in a row on more than 484 beach cramped in more than 50 countries and 6 continents.
Okay, research question. Why is it important avoid environment contamination? How do you think the population is aware of the of new products, right?
Research variables, place of use, types of people, forms of use, team capitulate, and people's nets.
Okay, the next question, the research question, the answers uh, is the first part. Okay, goals reduced by lesser 18% the response time to complaints due to lack of service. Establish a public awareness program about the correct disposal of solid waste and its benefit for health and the environment. Um, 100% undevelop the institution traffic should reduce the delinquent portfolio of being 65 millions to 30 days, carrying out administrative and usual collection process or other strangers.
Okay, reached wanted. Create action plans aimed at improving the solid waste coolant service. Update or rate plans so that they are more in line with the reality of the country and the authority. Make the urban and home training authority, a self-sustaining entity.
Okay. Now the simulation in this part. Okay. You can see input, digital input. Here, start, stop, probe sensors, labels sensor, reset, digital output, indication 1, indication 2, indication 3, full, indication indication full, let's stop, indication ADC 1, indication ADC 2, on 3, full months, check. Okay, in this part, input analogy, we used one digital input, analogic input, sorry. Okay, the counters in this part. Okay, and the program.
Okay, in this part, we have the digital input and output, which we will use to control the circuit with two variables, 0 and 1, in a binomial way.
The net.
This is a part. We have the analogic input and output, in which we will use to see the amount of material that is in the tank. Of course, with the help of the IDC elements that are associated for its correct operation.
Okay. We're going to explain this. The simulation. Okay. This part. This part. All right, and this part, I press the button. Okay. The indication one is activate. Okay, indication. All right. When the sensor is activate, the indication to activate. Now, this part is ADC. Okay, the indication the ADC comparative comparative operation. Okay. All right, and this part the logical operation in which we use the SIM that material enter the system and also have security in the process. In addition, here and logic input are involvement to make its operation possible. Okay. Right now, and when indication ATC 3 will activate. Okay, this part when start full the tank. Okay, the timer to start activate the timer. Okay, the timer in this part, we use the definite the time of the activation or desactivation of the input element in order to have and better control of circuit or consequently make is automatic possible logic. Okay, right. When level sensor is activated, the counter. Okay, all right. Already know. Okay. Activate. Activate. Okay. Okay, all right. This part begin. Okay, all right. Okay, okay. In this part, the counter, we use the guide count the process of the how many times the device was used today, to having a satisfactory and the routine, the control, they use the process. Okay. Okay. Context.
Now, in my conclusion, it is important to save the environment using renewable energy. And also this project is very good since it turned the garbage into small panes and it could also be partitioned to make a house, and the project is very good and thus do not harm the planet, on the contrary, help.
Okay. My conclusion about the argument said about intellectual valid design, it was possible to vary the varieties of the argument with the information collect and the impact the prospects, and also manage to convey how important this project is with valid the true argument. Okay, it's very important, the take care the environment in this project is for help. Okay, helping. Well, thank you for your attention. I We finish. See you.
See you.